Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.02 Macros switch sheets automatically. Macros in this example will automatically switch between various sheets. When an instructions example macro is to input example dimensions, the macro switches from the instruction sheet to the project dimension sheet. When an instructions example macro is to input example prices, the macro switches from the instruction sheet to one of the 3 cost workup sheets, base, door, and shelf. The input macros on the instruction sheet, both dimensions and prices, do not switch back to the instruction sheet. Input an instructions prompt to enter a dimension or price manually. After entering a dimension or price, click the Instructions Sheet tab located to the left along the bottom of the window. While running a macro, if the message box instructs you to click another macro button, the message is for informational purposes only. Clicking a macro button while running a macro should not have any effect. Complete the current macro to run another macro. This example 1.2.02 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.03.